Any other cards that stand out in your mind?
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, a quick morning update after yesterday's pumps. We're on my phone right now. We'll get the laptop out in a little while. You can see we had an upper target of 51,569. If it broke out of this consolidation that we were in yesterday, the last time we talked up here, it was starting this consolidation. Right now it looks like it's coming to the 200-day. That's going to be your critical zone. If you can bounce off the 200-day, you're going to come up to this upper target. If you failure to hold it, you're going to come down to retest this lower support at 45,000. And then if you can't hold that, you're going to come back down to, where's this other end of this bitch at? If you can't hold that, you're going to come all the way back down to 42,865. But your first underneath target is 46,000. So your upper target right now is 51,589 if you bounce off the 200-day in green. If you fail to hold that, you're coming to 46,969. And then if you fail to hold that, you're going to come all the way down to 42,865, 869, right? So those are your three targets to watch out for. You're currently coming down to the 200-day, and that's going to be your first initial test. Do you hold this 200-day, right? So that's what we're watching out for right now in Bitcoin. We're going to move along real quick to Dogecoin. There's not a lot of volume in Dogecoin, but you can see you got a big pump right there, some volume and a big candle wick. That was a nice, on that candle wick, that was a 4% quick buy and sell off. But you can see yesterday, you actually had a better, let's get rid of these nasty ones. You actually had a better pump up there. See that you wicked up to 20 cents. But right now, so that 20 cents and it sold off immediately. So this 20 cents is your major upper resistance, or 21 cents-ish. And then if you fail to hold where you're at now, the 200-day moving average, your next underneath support is down here at 14 cents, which is around that, just above that double bottom down there. But that's your next underneath support, right, is at 14 cents, and then you move your way down to 12 cents. So that's what we're going to watch out for. If you can stay above the 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, you can try to come up to 21 cents. If you fail that 200-day moving average, which is going to be trending like this today in the hour time frame, if you get below it, you're bearish and you're coming down to that 14 cents, right? So that's what's going on there. XRP, you can see we had a nice pump. We got up to that 92-cent circle target that we had. We got above it, and we told you the upper end, the bottom end of the highest potential pump is $1.05, but we got rejected right before that. And to me, it looks like now we're going to trade back down as there's very little volume. You're going to come on this back test now as support, this 92 cents, when the last time we were talking about it, it was running up into it as overhead resistance. If you fail to hold this where you're at now, you're going to come all the way back to the 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, which would be right here at about 86 cents. So if you fail to hold this 92.5 cents, you're coming to 86 cents, right? And then if you fail to hold the 86 cents, you're going to come down to the 80-cent level at the top end of this white support box, right? So that's what we're watching out for in the XRP. We'll get the laptop out in a little while and get in depth in and on into this and see what's going on and keep you from being fleeced, heisted, and shysted in a cryptocurrency sphere. Peace and love. Peace and love.